everyone. I am Sandy. If you're new, welcome back to Kentucky Crafter. It has been a minute since I have been on. It's been a really rough week and a half, but I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so I thought I would jump on here and share this haul video and these items that I received. So far, I really like what I've looked at thus far, but I wanted to look at the rest of it with you all. And this haul is from a company called All Out Journals, and I'll have the link in the description below. But All Out, A-L-L-O-U-T, is all one word, and then journals. They have an Instagram page, and I'll link that as well as their website. I do have a coupon code that you all can use and get 15% off discount. And the coupon code is KY Crafter, K-R-A-F-T-E-R, all one word, KY Crafter, and I'll have that down below. So let's jump into this. This is one of the first items that I wanted to show you, and these are dried flower stickers. Now, they aren't dried flowers, actually. They're pictures of dried flowers, I'm pretty sure. I don't think they're actually dried flowers, but they're gorgeous nonetheless. So I really love these colors, the pinks, the yellow, and then this kind of blue-green color here. And then this goldenrod color, and then this other yellow color. So I think these are really pretty. They look really pretty on a journal page, journal card. You could even snip them down a little bit as well. You know, snip it like right here, and you can put the greens on a different page and then put this on a page. So lots of different options for that, but they're a really nice quality sticker. So I like these. I give them a thumbs up on that one. And then they had another one that was called Ferns. And when I pull this one out, and here you can see the different sizes. So they have a smaller size, oops, and a couple bigger sizes. And again, you can trim these down as well. Here's a couple skinnier ones. So I really like these a lot. I can't wait to incorporate these into some of my journals. Yeah, I had cataract surgery on the 9th of March, and then and that went great. And then that weekend, my back, I have some lower back issues, and my back went out on me. So I've literally been out of commission for an entire week and in a lot of pain. So I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm trying not to overstress myself, so I thought I'd just do this little haul video and see how that goes. I'm not in my craft room. I'm still kind of chilling out in my room, so I know the setup looks a little bit different, but I appreciate all your all's kind thoughts. Now this is called, they're like vintage postage stamps of women, like Victorian women, and and these are stickers as well, and I absolutely love these. I think this is one of my favorites, and I think you get two, if I remember correctly, two of each of these, but they're just so pretty. I'll lay out a few of them here so you can look at them. So yeah, you get two of each. That's what I thought. But I mean, I love the what is that, like the transparency of it. Let me see if I can peel one back fairly easily. I'm still adjusting with my vision. So I've gone from being, I was born nearsighted, so I could see close up but not far away. But with my cataract surgery, they've now made me farsighted, and so I need readers close up. Yeah, these just peel right off. But look at that pretty transparency. I think that's really pretty. You see that? Just a nice vintage Victorian look. And all the images of the ladies is very pretty. So I'll just put a couple more out. Like here's one with a horse and flowers. And they have different colors too. You know, you got the pinks, the browns, some grays, some lavenders. So just really pretty. Hope the lighting's okay in here. Oh, and look at this one. This was more of like a 1950s, 60s. So that's kind of neat. But lots of really pretty stickers. So this is a really cool pack. I like this pack a lot. But yeah, my vision, I'm kind of having to learn how to see in a whole new way. Because if I needed to see something up close, I'd just put it super close up to my eye. And now I can't do that. So it's a learning process. But it's amazing to be able to see far away without glasses. That is definitely a cool thing. Let's see. Another thing I picked out from them, it was called a, like a little travel pack. Like a medieval tour travel pack. And this one, it's this really dusty blue, like a suede leather. And I'm not sure if it might be faux leather. I can't really tell. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell. And it comes packed with all these fun little travel things in the pack. And I thought this would be cool for when I go take trips and I want to do a little journaling on my trip. I can stick stuff down in there. But these again are some kind of transparency pages, and they're already kind of cut to size, so you could decorate a page very quickly. And I like the blue tones in here. I don't feel like I have a lot of blue. And then I got a couple map images as well. And then some little strips, thin little strips, kind of like tickets. And then here's some stamps, and these are all perforated. And you can tear them apart if you so desire. So lots of those. And then a bunch of really neat little decals. Just so fun. And I love the colors on that one. And that one too. So just a fun little pack. I don't really order from Shein. So y'all have to let me know, is this stuff that you see over on Shein for sale? Or are these things that you haven't seen before? I'd really like to know that for sure. Let's see, here's another little packet I bought. And this is kind of a shabby chic. They're little frames. So these are perforated right here. So you can pop that out and, put an image behind it. So a bunch of different little accents. You could put these on the corner of a page. I just thought these were really fun. So you can pop out the middles and use them on something. But then you also have these outside frames that you can use on something as well. And this one has the faux stitching on it. Just really, unique, I felt. I really hadn't seen things like this before. Kind of go through, you get the gist of these. Some little label-sized ones. But lots of pretty little designs on all of those. So I thought those were really neat as well. And then, let's see here. And here's another pack of frames like that. Oops. And this one is more like a Parisian kind of theme. That's what the packaging looks like. And these are, a lot more of the labels. And again, some more of the cutouts. And then a whole bunch of these little labels, which I was looking for labels like that. And then you got more of these frames. And these are a little more, not as decorative as that first pack, which I think also comes in handy. Sometimes you don't want your frame to be the focal point. So I really I didn't have a lot of this stuff, so I thought this was really good to get to add to my stash. Ooh. Starting to feel it in my back a little bit here. But I only have a few more things to show y'all, so let me clear this out of the way. I know it's been so hard that the weather's been so pretty here in Louisville all week, and I haven't really been able to enjoy it, so that's been tough. But my husband's been such a great nurse taking care of me. And then this one here, these are, again, just another little pack. I forget the name of this pack, but you can see the label there. But it came with this little pre-made little envelope thing, which you can put all of this stuff in there, and it came with this twine. And then you have all these little pieces here. So I think it's just great for collaging, like the moons, like the handwriting on these, newspaper clippings, film strips, little tags, and then some more little pieces. So I like this. And then a bunch of these little tags. And then these are little stickers. Like I love that moon sticker. And the trees, mushrooms, and a little jar. So lots of fun little pieces in that pack as well. And then they did throw in, I think, a couple freebies. I don't remember ordering these, but these are little bitty strawberries, individual stickers. And then here's some kind of look like Hello Kitty, but it's not Hello Kitty. So those are cute. So this here, these are called Mirage Traditions, and I really like the little envelope that they come in. But again, some more stickers, and you get 2 of each sticker, and just really pretty kind of collagey, pre-made collagey stickers. And these I just think are really pretty. This is another one of my favorites. Love the hydrangea there, and the little butterfly. I think perfect for spring. Look at that. So pretty. So, yeah, so there's a lot. So each of these a lot of these packs, there's like 30, usually around 30 items, I think, in each of these packs. Some had a little bit more, some had a little bit less. And then I did get this fun little clip to help hold open a journal. So let me show you that clip again. I don't think you all get to see that. In action. Like if you just want to open up a page, keep it open, clips like that. I'd try that one out. And then I got some washi tape. So this is like a Victorian newspaper washi. You can see right there, which is pretty neat. I was really looking for some wide washi tape, so I thought that one was pretty neat. And then this is a vintage world map one, which I thought was really pretty as well. And then the last 2 things I got were these cute little washi tapes. They're butterflies and leaves, and you can see right here they're individual, so you just peel them off one at a time, but they're really pretty butterfly stickers, washi, all different kinds. And I apologize if some of this was not on camera. I might have been zoomed in a little too much there at the end. And then here are the leaf washi stickers. And they're really nice. I like them a lot. So that is my haul from All Out Journals. I invite you to go check them out. Let me know what y'all think. You can use my coupon code below, KY Crafter. And I am going to take it easy here for a little bit and rest my back. And hopefully I'll be back to crafting and journaling pretty soon. So you all take care, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye for now. Oh, and happy first day of spring.